You've just bought yourself a new Windows 11 device, or you finally upgraded from Windows 10. In either cases, a congratulation is needed. Good on you. You are now using the most advanced and easy to use Windows. But wait a minute. What actually makes Windows 11 so easy to use? Hey y'all, Deva here from the Expert Zone Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft. And today we'll be talking about Windows 11 shortcuts. You may think you know them, but there are so many more. Heck, even I didn't know all of them till recently. But one thing's for sure, these shortcuts would make navigating Windows 11 that much easier. Did you know you have a quick settings to help you instantly enable many features found on the Windows 11? Simply press the Windows icon on your keyboard plus A. You can even choose to remove or add on other quick settings if you want to. Here's another one that I use quite frequently. Don't you hate those times when you're writing something and you need to bold your text, but you can't seem to find the bold icon? Well, with Ctrl plus B, you can easily make any selected text bold. Chat was a feature newly introduced on Windows 11, allowing you to chat with your friends and family wherever you are. You can simply open chat with Windows plus C. Now you are ready to share your latest gossips. I can't be the only person who gets a bit carried away with how many apps and windows I have open, right? Sometimes it gets a little overwhelming. I could minimize them all one by one, or I could hit Windows plus D to minimize all of them at once and take me to my desktop. Now I can start fresh with one window at a time. You can also do the reverse if you want to get back all your apps and windows out again by clicking the same shortcut. Another simple shortcut I use all the time is to open the File Explorer. All you need to do is press Windows plus E. This is especially useful when you need to open another File Explorer to shift files and folders around. Oh, this is a super useful one, especially for students. Reading a file or revising for that exam, with Ctrl plus F, you can conveniently find that keyword in a document. You could also choose to find every time that word is used and replace it with something else. This is super useful when I get documents from my colleagues that I need to translate. Here's a really fun one for you. You're in the middle of your game and you want to check your performance level of your PC or manage your Spotify playlist so you have all the songs needed for your flawless victory. With Windows plus G, you can access the game bar, your one-stop center to everything needed when you play. You can manage your audio levels, join Xbox Party Chat, check what apps are using your available resources, and more. You can also capture images and screen recordings to share later. Game bar isn't only for games. You can also use game bar wherever you are on Windows 11. Have a long essay to write or an email to send, but don't really feel like typing them down and wish your device would just use your voice to type? Well, with voice typing, you can. Just press Windows plus H to start voice typing in any text field. Now you can type down any text with just your voice. Convenient, isn't it? And there you have it, Windows 11 shortcuts. We'll be making another video with more shortcuts coming soon at a later date. Also, let me know in the comments below if you would use any of these shortcuts I've mentioned, or if there is a favorite shortcut that you use that I haven't mentioned yet. But for now, if you've enjoyed this video and want to see more Microsoft related content, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And as usual, let us know what other type of content you'd like to see in the comment section below. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.